If you're still replying every customer message manually, it's pretty probable that you are losing sales every single day. No worries, I'm gonna show you how you can avoid that. Today, it's pretty simple to create an AI assistant that will help you to manage your business on every channel. As an example, I'm gonna show you how to do it on WhatsApp Business. You don't need any API key, you just need a business portfolio on Meta. That's it. First thing we're gonna do is go into the channels tab and then we're gonna choose WhatsApp Business. We're gonna click on connect and then we are gonna click on connection. We're gonna click again. We are gonna continue to WhatsApp. We are gonna be on board on our Meta business portfolio and then we're gonna click on continue. We're gonna select our business portfolio that we want to connect. Then, if you're new to WhatsApp Business, you're gonna choose option 1, create a WhatsApp Business account. If you already have your account, let's choose number 2, connect a WhatsApp Business app. We're gonna click on next. We're gonna add the phone number and then we're gonna choose next. Again, next. Here, you're gonna select the time zone, then you click next. Last step, you're gonna click on confirm, and that's it. Congrats, now you connected your WhatsApp Business number with your Meta business portfolio. That's it. And finally, we're gonna create the connection here. Once you click on the WhatsApp phone number dropdown, you're gonna select your number. Then we connect the channel. Perfect. Now this means that all the messages that you receive to your WhatsApp Business from your customers and users are gonna be assisted by your AI assistant. That's it. Are you ready to build yours? Drop a comment if you have any questions. We'll be more than happy to guide you.